It's okay. It's just raining really hard and everything's gonna be okay. It's fine. You're fine. You don't like the rain? Settle? You don't like the rain? What's the matter? You know I can't stop the rain. I don't have that kind of power. I'm sorry. You okay, buddy? You want to open the front door and see how it looks out there with all the rain? Let's see. Oh, damn. That just came out of nowhere. Yeah, you don't like that? I'm sorry. It'll be all right. You'll be fine. It's gonna be okay, buddy. I'm sorry you don't like the rain. Okay. What can I do to make you happy? You hate the rain, don't you? You want to go eat some kibbles? That'll make you feel better? Go eat some kibbles. Yeah, go on. Jump up there. Good boy. You like your kibbles. Yeah.